In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Docs with Notion efficiently and seamlessly. This integration can revolutionize how you manage and organize your digital documents by automating tasks and reducing manual input, saving both time and effort. Let's begin by ensuring you have both Google Docs and Notion open and ready to go. These platforms are fantastic on their own, enabling you to create and organize documents and notes easily. However, their true potential can be unlocked by connecting them. To do this, we'll use a third-party app such as Zapier or automate.io, which are both popular tools for building automated workflows between applications. The first step is to choose which third-party app best suits your needs and get it set up. Zapier and automate.io are our go-to options, so feel free to explore both and see which one you're more comfortable using. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to authenticate both your Google account and your Notion account with the app. This essentially means you'll be granting these services permission to access your documents and notes, so be sure that you review any security features and understand how your data will be handled. Once authentication is complete, your next task is to create triggers. A trigger acts as the starting point for your automation. In this case, you'll be setting a trigger to detect when a new document is created or an existing document is updated in Google Docs. By setting these triggers, you ensure that each time you create or update a document, that action will automatically prompt the next steps in your automation workflow, keeping everything synced and logged in Notion seamlessly. Next up is mapping out how you want the integration to look. This involves deciding which pieces of information from your Google Docs you want to appear in Notion. For example, you can choose to link over just the document's title and date, or you can include more detailed snippets of content. This step helps tailor the integration to meet your specific needs, making it as efficient and effective as possible for your workflow. After mapping out your integration preferences, the next vital step is to test the workflow. Testing ensures that everything functions as intended, verifying that triggers fire correctly and that your data appears accurately in Notion. Make any necessary adjustments during this phase to fine-tune the process, ensuring a smooth operation. Finally, once you are satisfied with how everything works, go ahead and activate your workflow. Activating signifies that the automation is now live and ready to handle your documents without any further manual input required on your part. Congratulations! You've now set up a powerful integration between Google Docs and Notion, allowing for a seamless, automated workflow that will streamline your documentation tasks with ease. Enjoy the efficiency boost, and thank you for watching.